Hey, we're going to be installing the pair and pitch stop mount on Sam's 2018 Subaru WRX. My name's Abe, this is Sam, and we're going to go over everything we're going to use to get it replaced, so stay tuned. Alright Sam, do we know what we're doing?
Nope.
Are we going to try to figure it out?
Yeah, we're going to roll with it and see if we run into any issues or problems, and we'll show you guys what we come across.
Alright, let's show them what we're using.
So what we got is a 3/8 ratchet, 14mm wrench, extension, 8mm socket, 12, 14, and another 14 socket, flathead screwdriver, and then we're using a impact gun as well, but you can use a ratchet.
Alright, so let's show them what we got in the box and show them the instructions.
We got instructions, how to install it, also comes with some grease, and then if we unwrap this, you can see pitch stop mount. Alright, so the first step we're going to do is take off the OEM engine cover. Looks like we got 2 clips to take off, and I believe after those clips come off we can pull this engine cover off. Alright, let's get to it. There we have it.
Alright Sam, so what are we doing next?
Gonna take off the intercooler.
Alright.
So what you need is the 8mm socket for the intercooler hose clamps, and then 12mm socket for the intercooler itself. I'm going to use the impact gun. The first thing I'm going to do is on these 2 12mm right here.
You having a loosen? There you go. That might help you, bud.
See, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no.
You need the extension?
Yeah, probably. Due to technical difficulties, we had to switch to a long extension and a short 12mm socket. Okay. There's a clip. There's a clip that's holding a hose. So just, there we go. Alright, so now we're going to get the other 12mm bolt on this side. There it is. Alright, so now we're going to get the hose clamps off.
Alright, so what are we doing next, Sam?
So now the fun part is taking off the intercooler, so I'm going to have to probably manhandle this and try to get it off.
Watch your head there, bud.
Got a big head. But here's the intercooler. In the future I'm going to upgrade this, so stay tuned for that.
Alright Sam, what's our next move?
Now is to take off the OEM pitch mount.
Where's the pitch mount for the viewers, just in case?
It is this black plastic bar right here. And we're switching over to a ratchet with the 14mm socket and then a 14mm wrench.
Alright.
Let's tighten it in.
Lefty loosey, bud. Ooh, rip, bud. Rip.
Every time. Never fails.
You're so strong.
Shut up. Have the washer on here though. So next.
All right, now it's time to go fishing, ain't it, Sam?
Like actual fishing or fishing for a washer?
Fishing for that washer.
I quit. I don't know where it is. I think it fell on the ground, hopefully. Bruh. Bruh.
Look at this man's. Look at this man's.
Just broke another clip. Yeah, it's definitely on the ground.
Oh man. Maybe she didn't fall all the way
Wait.
down. Oh, you found it?
Going fishing.
Going fishing. I got a magnet you could use.
Why'd you say it the first time? Oh, dude, it went down further.
Double rip there, bud.
Well, Ripperino.
Here. I'll put more lighting.
I think it fell into I might have to jack up the car. Honestly, I might have to.
Okay. Whose man's is this?
Got Jackson?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's tall.
What you doing, bro? The pitch stop mount ain't down there.
Fishing. Ready?
Are you getting there?
Got it. Retrieved.
What do you have to say for yourself, Sam?
Don't ever lower your cars.
All right, after chasing down a washer for about a half hour, Sam, what's next?
We're gonna finally take off that pitch stop mount. It didn't crack, so good sign.
All right, so now we got the old one out. What are we doing with the new one, Sam?
So instructions state to apply a small amount of grease on both sides of bushings. And here's the grease they provide.
It's a mighty fine lube job you did there.
No comment. No comment. So, let's put this bad boy in. So, now it's just pretty much reverse of what we did. Oh, that's a tight squeeze. Can't tell if that's lined up or not, but we'll wiggle it and see what we can do. Oh, I think we're in. There we go. Washer.
Don't drop it this time.
Nut. Success.
Didn't want to focus, but alright.
Oh, didn't it? Well,
You get the idea.
yes. I'm gonna just snug them up,
Okay.
and then we can torque them. This one's in though. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna take a minute. All right. So the next step is to torque them. And the instructions state that the front bolt and nut go to 37 foot-pounds, and the rear bolt is going to 43. And here's the torque wrench. That one's done. So now we're doing the back bolt, which is 43 foot-pounds. There we have it.
Alright, Sam, now what?
We're gonna put back the intercooler, tighten that up, put that bracket we took off in the beginning, and then put the engine cover on, and we should be good to go.
Alright, if you guys want to watch any more content on Sam's Subaru WRX, I'll leave a link up in the corner. And if you guys want to watch more content on it, make sure to subscribe. He's got some more plans for this car. And if you guys found any part of this video useful, make sure to hit that like button. And Sam, you have anything else to say?
Struggle's real.
Don't lose that washer. Thanks for watching.